Hi guys, welcome to my channel. On this video we will learn how to create YouTube channel. If you find this video helpful, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you. To create YouTube channel, we all should have a Google account first before we create YouTube channel. On how to create Google account, the link is on the comment section. You can go tap the link and watch the tutorial on how to create Google account. As we go through, just follow the highlighted part. As you can see above, tap YouTube. Then tap the highlighted part at the bottom right. When you come here, tap switch account. When you come here, all your Google account will appear and you have to choose one. Like mine, I choose the bottom one. When you come here, tap create. Then you are done. You can tap the highlighted part at the bottom right to view your YouTube channel. Then tap view channel. Finally you are done. Now you can create your video and upload. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please do subscribe for more upcoming video tutorial.